You may have a longer payback if it's a higher quality product, so there might be a bit more upfront capital, but it will present a better value proposition over the longer term, generally. Not always. If you put cheaper product that's more expensive, that's probably not a good investment. Some of the cheaper end products might get a quick payback period, but then they will fail or they will stop producing, they'll drop off in their production, and that's not representing a good longer term investment. And also, it's not good for the environment to be able to throw away panels. We're not in the business of throwaway culture, particularly being in the environmental business. We don't want to see these products coming on and creating a waste problem down the track. The important things for homeowners to think about when they're choosing a solar system is what is the payback period. That's always an important consideration, but I think it's not just about getting that payback, it's about the return on the investment over the life of the investment, putting in a quality system that you know that if there's going to be any problems with it, it's going to be fully covered by a reputable manufacturer and an installer. It's about having the right advice and putting panels in the right orientation, making sure that those panels cater to your way of life, not necessarily a cookie cutter model. And that is peace of mind for people investing in a high quality system.